Blizzards are the ultimate winter storms, infamous for their fierce winds, freezing conditions, and blinding snow. They primarily form when a cold air front collides with a moist air mass, often intensified by the jet stream. This explosive interaction creates heavy snowfall and winds exceeding 35 miles per hour, significantly reducing visibility. The central United States, Canada, and the Arctic regions witness such natural fury frequently, causing transportation chaos and life-threatening conditions. To safeguard against blizzards, experts recommend having a winter emergency kit, staying updated with weather alerts, and avoiding travel during warnings. Understanding these frozen tempests not only raises awareness but also equips individuals with knowledge to face a blizzard's icy wrath safely.